roti and the curry chicken. See, I see. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Right here I have 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna whip up some roti right now. You see me? Simple, everything is so simple, but it's just the techniques that make these things good enough. And about a teaspoon of pink salt, right? And we're gonna go in with some baking powder. We're gonna go in with about a tablespoon. Yeah man, just add a little bit more. That is basically it for your roti. You see what I say? Yeah man, and as I said, videos out on the channel detailing how we deal with these things. Alright, mix that up so you know you incorporate the salt, the baking powder, the whole 9 yards. So man, that's a place. Yeah. Want some lukewarm water. Almost, you know, not room temperature. I want it to be a little bit warm. And that way, you know, it can help the dough to be nice and soft. So I'm gonna try to catch about I have a cup and a quarter of lukewarm water, and that's what we're gonna be using to make the dough. When I use that to make the dough, it makes the dough nice and soft. You see what I say? And we're gonna add that water in. This is a cup and a quarter, but we're not gonna add everything at once. I'm gonna add the cup first and mix it up. I want a nice, not sticky, but a nice soft dough. Look like you can use the whole cup and quarter, you know. Alright, we're going to go in with the hand now. Go in with our hands. Need a little bit more water. So about a cup and a half of water I'm using, you know, to this 3.5 cups of flour. Yeah man. Need. So you lift and press. That's all you need. Yeah, lift and press. So you lift the outside, bring it inside and press. The gluten is developing nicely. I get a tray. Gonna cut this dough into half. Yep. And now we're gonna separate this into around 3 to 4 pieces, so 8. So we got 8. Just feel them out to see how. Alright. Good size. We're gonna roll these up. So you cup the hand like this. Put it over the dough and we're just gonna roll it. There. So we get them nice and round ball. Yep. Get a little bit of flour and dust your tray. And we'll put those on there. And we'll just repeat that. There we go. You see me? Add a little bit of flour on top. Get a clean towel. Just damp it a little bit. And we'll just cover that up. And we're just gonna set this down for about 30 minutes or so while we work on the chicken, and we should be good to go. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go on now with our roti pan. Let that heat up slowly on medium heat. We're gonna work on the roti. Dust some flour on our surface. Need a little bit of oil. Flour clean work surface. And we have the dough ball, they've been resting. So you get the dough ball and you're gonna roll that out now. So once you roll it out to an extent, you get some oil and we're gonna brush that on. So you get the oil, call this bust up shot or oil roti. What we're doing now, we're gonna create some layers in between this roti. We're gonna need more oil. So you rub that. You're gonna get a knife and you're just gonna cut it from the center, like so. A little bit of flour and you're gonna sprinkle that over. So as I said, what this is gonna do is gonna help to create some layers in your roti. So you grab this now, you lift it up, and you're gonna make a triangle like so. You just roll that around. Roll it 360 all the way around. You roll that around like so. You see that? There. Alright? And then you're gonna tuck. You're gonna tuck this in. Tuck that in. So you call it the roll and tuck. You tuck that in. And essentially what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making back that of a ball. You see what I say? So there. So that is what you want. So essentially get back that circle that we had before. My dough is a little bit dry. I should have used a damp rag on here. But there we go. Alright, so we have all of the roti them ready. We're gonna just roll it out now. And I have the thing over there heating up. Just some flour. Alright, so we just roll this out last time now to about 12 inches. Alright, so there we go. So you're just gonna oil this up a little bit. And then we're gonna go on now with the roti. And we're just gonna toast it. Gonna get a little bit and rub against the outside. Now you want to turn that over. So once you start seeing blisters, that's a good sign it's cooking nicely. Get a little bit of oil, and with the brush you lightly brush the oil over. So that is it. Once you start seeing little blisters, now we know we're good to go. Just gonna take it like this, put it in a towel, in a damp towel, clean towel. We'll just clap it up because it's very hot. And there you go. You have the bus up shut, fold it. I'm gonna keep it in that damp cloth so it doesn't dry out. Alright? Beautiful. There we go. And I'm just gonna add that roti right on there. There it is. The roti and the curry chicken. See what I say? Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.